Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Soft Server. In this video, I'm explaining about how to download the Microsoft certificate and Microsoft certificate score report. Also, I'm just explaining how to edit the participant name on our certificate. Okay, so you can see that this is a Microsoft certificate in which there is a multiple types of courses are there. If you are enrolling any type of courses and you have given any types of examinations, you have to just search on a Google in a Microsoft Learn. Okay, you just search on a Google in a Microsoft Learn. You can see that this is a Microsoft Learn platform is there, so you just click on this Microsoft Learn page. When you just landing to the Microsoft Learn page, in which section you can see this is a profile options is there. When we click on the profile options, after the profile options, the page is loading. You can see that this is a certificate option. Okay, if you are not seeing that much types of options, you just go to the credential options, right? When you go to the credential options, in which credential options you can see this is a certificate. Okay, applied skills, and after that this is a certification option. So when you click in the credential, after that you just click the certificate. Okay, after the clicking the certificate, you can see this is the show in which we can download the examination report, and in which we have to just download the certificate. You can see this is the options view certificate details. When we click the view certificate details, okay, so you can see that this is our certificate. Okay, so also you have to just print the certificate. If you want to print the certificate in a PDF, you can just choose a PDF options. Okay, also if you want to customize, just like if you want to download the PDF and you do not want to enter that particular email ID or name, you just go to the more setting options, in which particular things you just clicking the header and footer option. Okay, after that you can see that your names and email IDs are removed under header files. Okay, also if you want to just expand the certificate size, you just get the scale up and scale down to your certificate, like sizes of your certificate. Okay, so you can choose according to your requirement. Okay, then you just click to the certificate, and then you just go to the click certificate save, and your certificate is saved. Okay, so after that, if you want to if you want to take a screenshot, you can change also the theme. In which section there is a theme option, you can go to the dark and you can go to the light options. Okay, so it's depend on you. You can choose the mode whatever the want. Okay, the next thing is credential. If you want to get the credential, if you want to add the credential on our LinkedIn, you can go to, you can, there is option, share options is there. Okay, you just click the share option, in which you just copy the credential links. Okay, so right now we have just copied the credential links, and we just put the credential in any search, and you can see that your certificate is visible on that particular page, right? So this is our credentials links. Okay, after if you want to edit, suppose that if there is incorrect, your name is mentioning on their certificate, if you want to just customize your name, or if you want to edit your name, you just go to the edit display name, and in these particular sections you have to customize. You can just rewrite your name, and you just go to the save options. After, when refreshing the page, you just again come to the home profile, in which section you just go to the profile section. Okay, again you have to just follow the same procedure, and you can get the certificate. So in which sections you can see that there is a certification and there is a examination options is there, right? So when we click the view details on provided site, in which section, when we clicking the Microsoft new page is open up. Okay, so in which we have to just put your personal information. So we just have to put some informations, right? So we just have to put that information. Then after, we just clicking the submit button. Okay, when we clicking the submit button, then the next page is open, and that particular website, you can see this is a dashboard is opening right now, and in which dashboard section you can see there is a view score report is there. Okay, so when we clicking the view score report, automatically the certificate is be downloaded. You can see, you can click the view. Okay, in which section, when we clicking the view, you can just wait a few seconds. You can see this is our certificate is downloaded, and I'm just scoring a 950 marks out of 1000, and the 700 marks is the passing marks. Okay, so this is the whole procedure to download the certificate and to edit the certificate. Okay, so that is the way to getting the certificate and downloading certificate. I hope if you like this video, please support the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, all the best, have a nice day.